We are from Quantities. In this video, we are going to see how to find cost price or selling price and profit or loss percent based on the given examples. Our first example is on Sunday, 845 people went to the zoo. On Monday, only 169 people went. What is the percent decrease in the people visiting the zoo on Monday? Now let's see what is given first. So number of people went to zoo on Sunday is 845 and the number of people who went to zoo on Monday is 169. And what we want to find? We want to find the decrease in percent of the people visiting the zoo. So they have already given it is decrease in percent. That is, we can take it as loss. Okay. So now first we will see the number of decrease in people. So Sunday it's 845, Monday it's 169. So 845 minus 169 is 676 people, right? So now we have to find the decrease percent. So that is 676 number of people decreased divided by the people on Sunday, that is 845 into 100. So now if you simplify this 676 into 100 divided by 845, you will get it as 80%. So the decrease in percent in the number of people visiting the zoo is 80%. Next example is the cost of an article was rupees 15,500. Rupees 450 was spent on its repairs. If it is sold for a profit of 15%, find the selling price of the article. Okay, first let's see what's given. So the cost price of an article is rupees 15,500 and cost spent on repairs is rupees 450 and profit percent it is 15%. So we want to find the selling price of the article. So first we will see the total cost price because it's given cost spent on repairs, right? So it's nothing but overhead charges. So therefore total cost price is cost price of article plus overhead charges. So therefore we can write the cost price as rupees 15,500 plus rupees 450, that is rupees 15,950. So this is the total cost price of the article. Now it is given profit 15%. So we want to find the profit amount. So profit amount is equal to profit percent of CP. This is the formula. So that is P equal to P percent of, in mathematical terms, is into CP. So 15% into rupees 15,950. So 15% can be written as 1 divided by 100 into rupees 15,950. Now we are simplifying this. We are multiplying 15 into 15,950 divided by 100. So if you simplify this, you will get the profit amount as rupees 2,392.50. Okay. So this is the profit amount. So but we want to find the selling price. So we know that selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Cost price here is total cost price. That is, we have to take along with the overhead charges. So it is 15,950 plus 2,392.50. So now if you add this, you will get rupees 18,342.50. So thus the selling price of the article is rupees 18,342.50. Next example given is a VCR and a TV were bought for rupees 8,000 each. The shopkeeper made a loss of 4% on the VCR and a profit of 8% on the TV. Find the gain or loss percent on the whole transaction. Solution. First let's see what is given. So the cost price of a VCR and TV is equal to rupees 8,000 each. That is, cost of VCR is 8,000 and cost of TV is 8,000. So now loss percent on VCR is 4% and the profit percent on TV is 8%. Now we want to find gain or loss. So whether it is gain or loss, we have to find it out first. Then you want to find the gain or loss percent. So we want to find the selling price so that we can compare with the cost price and we can decide it is gain or loss. So it's given only the cost price. So you want to selling price, find the selling price to compare it. Okay. So now first we will consider VCR. Okay, it's for VCR it is given loss percent on VCR is 4. So we know that loss amount equal to loss percent of cost price. So that we can write in mathematical terms as L equal to L% of is into cost price. So loss percent is given 4% into rupees. Here we have to take cost price of VCR. So that is 8,000. So now 4% can be written as 1 divided by 100. So 4 divided by 100 into rupees 8,000. So if you simplify 4 into 8,000 divided by 100. So 4 into 8 is 32,000 divided by 100. So if you simplify, you will get loss amount equal to rupees 320. But we want to find the selling price, right? So now to find the selling price, we know that selling price is equal to cost price minus loss because it is loss. So you want to subtract that amount from the cost price. So it is 8,000 minus rupees 320. So the selling price is rupees 7,680. So the selling price of VCR is rupees 7,680. Now we'll consider the TV. So for TV it is given profit percent on TV is 8%. We know that profit amount equal to profit percent of cost price. So that we can write it as P equal to P% into cost price of is into. So it's given 8%. So 8% into rupees. Here we have to take cost price of TV alone. So it is rupees 8,000. So 8% is 8 into 1 by 100. That's 8 divided by 100 into rupees 8,000. So 8 into 8,000 divided by 100. So that is 8 into 8 is 64,000 divided by 100. On simplifying, you will get the profit amount as rupees 640. Now we want to find the selling price of the TV. Okay, so we know that selling price equal to cost price plus profit. Since it's profit, we want to add it to the cost price. So cost price is 8,000 plus profit is rupees 640. So the selling price of TV is rupees 8,640. So thus we can say that selling price of TV is rupees 8,640. Now we want to find whether it is overall loss or gain. So for that we want to compare cost price with selling price. So for that we want to find the total cost price and the total selling price. So total cost price is 8,000 for VCR plus 8,000 for TV. So it is 16,000. The total selling price is 7,680. It is for VCR. And for TV it is 8,640. So it is 16,320. So here the selling price is greater than cost price. So it is a profit or gain. Now we want to find the percent. So profit percent equal to, we have the formula profit divided by cost price into 100%. So here the profit is rupees 320 divided by the total cost price is 16,000 into 100%. If you simplify, you will get 2%. So thus it is an overall gain of 2% for the whole transaction. Hope you have understood how to find the cost price or selling price or profit or loss and its percent. Okay, based on the given questions, we have to use the appropriate formulas. Thank you for watching the video.